Okay, so let's deal with shield volcanoes. With shield volcanoes, they are on divergent plate boundaries. Yep, again, I've got a whole video on it if you're a bit unsure what that means. They are plates moving in opposite directions. Now, why are they moving in opposite directions? Let's quickly do some retrieval. They are doing so because of a process that is taking place in the mantle. That process is, question mark, that process is convection currents in the mantle. Now, what happens? Well, I kind of use a metaphor, and I do love a metaphor, and sometimes they don't always help. But think of a football with a puncture in it. If you pierce the football, the pressure inside will force the air to come out, and it will just flow out through the hole. And so that's exactly what happens. As the two plates move apart, lava from the mantle will rise up and it will spill out. Okay? Now, just like a flat football, there's no real pressure down here in the mantle because there is a permanent open vent for the magma to spill out of. And so these are kind of, I don't want to say happy. These aren't dangerous, these volcanoes. They're more annoying than dangerous because they are erupting all of the time, continuously almost. Okay? On top of that, they're not causing tsunamis, they're not causing earthquakes. They are just these kind of constant factor in your life. If you look at Iceland, the people of Iceland live at peace with the volcano. Just check this out. It's fantastic for tourism. It's not a threat. It's helped to make Iceland a very, very wealthy country. So what do? Basically what happens is as the two plates move apart, you will have a mountain range start to appear. The famous example is the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Yep, it's a vastly long mountain range that stretches underneath the seafloor because that's what happens. As the magma rises up, new seafloor is created. Okay? Now I'm going to go over to this kind of cross profile, this cross section here and show you what kind of happens. As the two plates move apart, because they are a divergent plate boundary, the magma spills up, creates new ocean floor, but eventually that magma builds up, and it builds up, and it builds up, until what's going to happen? There's sea level. What's going to happen? You're going to have new land being created, and that's kind of exactly what Iceland is. It's new land that has formed. You know, you will still have your kind of main vent, but eventually that land, that will become traditional land. And so that is what is very important to say about a shield volcano, is that they have a very flat structure. A composite volcano has a much sharper, steeper gradient to it, steep sides. The shield volcano is much, much flatter. Okay? So the key takeaways for a shield volcano are they are found on divergent plate boundaries. Magma rises up from the mantle, forming new ocean floor until land is created. The volcanoes, the volcanic eruptions are frequent, which is annoying, yes, but they are not dangerous. Okay, they are weak. All right, that's shield volcanoes. Let's do the